so I'm going to leave that one alone.
Good morning. Sorry, guys, we got sidetracked there. The three of us were talking in the background. How's everyone doing?
Morning, Keith, Scott, Chuck, Dave. Keith, I think that's awesome. That's a really good idea, especially if you're struggling with trading with profits.
That was ripping.
Perfect.
Did you see Christine? Good morning, everyone. Christine, I sent you a thing on X. Michael, what is Michael's last name? It starts with an A, from Tampa or from Dallas. He was in your trading group.
Yeah.
He just got his first payout.
Amazing.
He's been trading for 3 years.
Oh, I love that. I got a message in.
I tagged you in the thing, but we should probably get him on the podcast soon, I think, just to be able to go through the struggle that long.
Yes. Seriously.
Oh, so if you guys can see the screen here, I put this on before I went to bed along.
Wow.
And I had my stop, like it was 5 points because I had a low a day VWAP on, which basically lined me up with, like I was just above the low a day VWAP. And I put a trailing stop on and went to bed and I got stopped out right here.
Oh, too bad.
Where?
I got stopped out for $5. Like it came back on me into profit. Like I entered here, I had my hard stop here, and then before I went to bed, I put a 3-point trailing stop on. As it came down here, somewhere it stopped me out for plus $5. And look where it went. It went all the way to TP.
Like exactly to TP.
Yeah, which was the highs, which was that high pin.
Oh my
It's
God.
all good. It's all good. I slept great knowing that trailing stop was in. So
Yeah.
The trade finished up $5.28. I did lose a bunch of drawdown, not a ton, but it is what it is.
Oh yeah.
And it was only 3 micros, so it wasn't the end of the world. But yeah,
So,
that was that.
I've been taking trades at the open lately. It's kind of weird, but totally goes against normal rules. So I've been finding that, like, depending on where we open, if we open like below value area high or above value area low, it typically, like NQ typically rips to the point of control and then also to the value area high, if like the opposite end. So, and then I find that if it opens outside of the value area high, it actually rips higher. And if it opens below the value area low, it rips lower. So I haven't been taking those trades. The ones like today, it opened up kind of like outside of the range. And so normally that would be an indication to take a long.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't take that trade because I feel like it's a little more risky, those ones. But if it's inside the range, I basically, like I've had, I back tested it a whole bunch and it was working. And then I've got a few trades under my belt now live that have been working also.
Very cool. Love that.
Yeah.
That's like an opening range breakout, is it not?
Well, not really, because it depends where it opens, right? I'm literally taking it within a few seconds of like New York Open.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Boy, I'd love to see you. We should almost start getting you to have your screen up for the open when you do take those trades. Yeah. Just because I'm not going to trade for the first few minutes regardless. So if you're like looking at that, maybe we start the stream with your chart up, so then we can see you, take these in real time. Start to
because I have a couple on my streams that I've taken 2 times now where it's worked out. So yeah,
this is the one thing I've learned the most from like watching live streams is you actually learn so much quicker watching someone else do it in real time versus watching a video of it. Like there's just something about watching live trading that really like helps with the mental reps for me. So
my project X is really slow right now for some reason.
How convenient was that? So those NVIDIA earnings comes out, the market, tips over on it, and then it comes out later on that NVIDIA is in talks to sell the Blackwell chip to China. How convenient, right? Bad news gets turned into great news. Good morning, Nina. Good morning, Rod. We're on the West Coast, so it's 6:30 a.m. here. That's kind of the earliest I want to be sitting at the computer, to be honest. So I don't trade pre-market. We could look in at probably starting a few minutes earlier just to kind of get started. But yeah, that's the reason we're not in 30 minutes prior.
We also don't usually trade at the open either. Is that what you just said?
Yes. No, he's just asking how come we're not in the room 30 minutes prior.
Yeah,
I don't trade the open.
Yeah, because if we were trading within the first 15 minutes, you'd want to be here earlier to set up and kind of watch how the open happens. But really, we're just watching the open, so there's no point for us being here early. But if you're trading at the open, then yes, be here early. Don't just show up and then jump into trade.
Yeah, that's part of the reason I didn't take it this morning.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, when I used to trade the legit opening range, which is like the 5 minute, 2 minute, the 1 minute, I'd have to be here early. How many people do we have on this today, Randy?
15.
Whoa.
Why whoa? Why whoa? What am I missing?
I don't know.
It's Christine's birthday today, guys. Happy birthday.
No?
No.
Bum, bum, bum. What's up, everybody?
It's not my birthday.
Trevor, what's up? Trevor, you never answered my question. Are you in Vancouver? I think I asked you on the ASFX stream a couple times. Good morning.
Hold on, guys.
Yeah. Thanks, Nina. Hit that like button. Let's go.
Yeah.
No worries. You don't got to be sorry, buddy. I'll forget to ask you again. And yeah, nice. White Rock. I'm in Langley, man. So I'm not even in Vancouver. I'm in Walnut Grove, right by the movie theaters.
All right. Hey, Randy, it's working on my channel right now. So
nice.
Perfect.
So we're going to start streaming now to all of our separate YouTube channels from this stream just to make it so we can make sure to include all the audiences. And I'm thinking it's looking like Dave is going to stream Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then it'll be on here. It'll be on his channel. So and then I'll be able to pop in when I'm not on ASFX. And if Christine wants to pop in on a stream, or if Nick Jocelyn wants to come trade, or any of you guys in the chat want to jump in sometime, always reach out. It's an open stage, right? So everyone's welcome.
Nice.
Everyone except maybe Jose, because he never takes any trades.
Jose. Oh my gosh.
I'm sure he'll take a trade on stream though.
You've been missing all the fun with the trade copier, Christine.
Yeah, what's going on?
I've been using it every day.
And it's going well?
Yeah, it's going well. It's a little nerve-wracking at first.
Yeah.
If you can see my screen, I have these lines here, and this is how I enter and exit a trade. Right? So the white line is my exit, is my stop, green line's my buy, red line's my sell.
So what's that based off of?
It's not. These are just on the screen, and then I'll turn them into alerts, and then I'll drag it over a candle, and it'll start my trade.
Oh.
Right? So I'm not clicking buy or sell.
Oh, weird. And that's from the trade copier?
Yeah. That's from Trader's Post.
Cool.
So, yeah. I'm definitely getting a lot more comfortable using it, and I'm, managing my trades well. So I just try and focus on the one trade I'm in, and it's connected on here on TradingView. I have my funded account, my Take Profit Pro account connected, and so that's the trade you see playing out.
Okay.
So as for a bias, like I want to be, how can you not want to be long?
Yeah. Definitely.
Do you know what I mean? Like this, You go back, we're above all-time high VWAP, above previous days New York. We are above the overnight VWAP. I would let this shake out. We're going to get some volatility. I wonder what NVIDIA is doing right now. It's flat.
If it wasn't for that big wiki candle yesterday at the end of the day, we would have set equal lows from yesterday's pre-market and today's pre-market, which would have been a pretty big target. But I don't know how that would work out. It's with that third wick in there.
Interesting.
That was
Good
on
morning, Zach. Welcome. Let's go. What are we doing here, guys? We're just going to take it easy, right? Have a breather. We're above all the value areas. Point of control on ES. We're actually sitting on previous week's value area high, so we're at all-time highs.
Which is also a call resistance level.
The 6,500?
Yeah.
Such a round number.
ODTE, gamma wall. I don't know what it means, but I got it on my chart.
I don't know if Austin kind of took it off his chart for a minute.
I really have to do they have tutorials, so I want to do the tutorials to figure out what the hell these are. Where's Gex 1? Because I think that's the one that gets hit most often, right? It's at 65.25.
65.25?
Yeah.
Nina, I'm using, it's not Replicanto, it's a software called Traders Post. I'm going to start doing some videos on it. It's my first week using it. I'm really starting to like it. So I just want to use it for a bit and get comfortable using it before I start, really, really putting it out there to everyone and telling people it's a great option. And is it iTrades or L Trades? What do you think?
Probably
iTrades.
We've been trading Christine's been trading for about, what is it, 15 years? 10 years?
3 years.
Feels like it? No, Christine's been
like 100.
Christine and I have been trading futures for 18 months.
Yeah.
And Dave is a newbie. He's been at it for 5 or 6 months now.
That's it, Dave? Do
Yeah.
you have another job, or is this it?
Yes, I'm a real estate agent.
Oh, nice. Got it.
Yeah. But real estate market's crap.
Yeah, how's the market right now?
That's horrible. I have a listing, and we've literally had no inquiries.
Oh my god!
And we're like going on over a month and a bit, anyways.
Wow.
About a month. So
talk about buyer's market.
Yeah. So we do, Randy, we do have that monthly point of control on NQ above us at 23,781. But on ES, it's actually quite a bit lower, 6409. So
we're going to be starting to go live every day. One of us will be here, whether it's the three of us or two of us or one of us. Someone will always be around on this on the channels, and we'll have it hooked up to all of our channels. I think this will be the best way to get reach for everyone. So, everybody can kind of be a part of this. Give us some real. You're in the U.S., man. It's a different market up here, Jose. Can't even compare the two.
Yeah, you don't want Canadian real estate tips. I'll tell you that.
So I threw a low a day anchor on this low from the session, the overnight session, and as you can see, it held. The buyers were very strong at this point. So I'm just going to have this on here because the way it was respected through the overnight session and the amount of volume we had through the overnight session, I think it could be a key level. And it's going to technically be basically our opening range low. So just curious to watch what happens here. You could see a pullback maybe down to previous days New York. But again, we have point of control here at 64.91, and you can see it was respected 1, 2, 3 times in the overnight. So, and as soon as we broke it in the overnight the first time, this is when we got that big lift up to New York highs. So I don't pay too much attention to previous week's value area high. This just helps me to set up a bit of a bias. I'm not trying to buy or sell off of that level. I just have it on my chart, so when I look at it, I can kind of see where we are from last week's range. The session volume profile.
I feel like a deer in the headlights right now. Not really sure what the market's going to do today.
I want to take this first break of the opening range low, but I'm not going to.
Holy shitballs, you're not going to.
He's learning.
I really liked your trade yesterday, Randy, because you did not take the first opening break range.
I know. I thought about
you. I
you.
really liked that. That was a good trade. I would like it if it came back and touched previous day New York at 91.50, and if it bounced from there, I like that for a long.
What do we have for orders on NQ on the book? We got those orders sitting above at 23,750, which was $23,750 was basically the New York highs too. Pre-market highs. Mm-hmm.
65.07. Yes. Yes, we did reject that area. 3 times now. So do you find it hard to manage all the accounts, Randy, like in your head, or has it been like easier than you thought?
I'm short.
Oh my God. Has the opening range even set? What time is it?
2 minutes ago.
That's it.
Did it even break out of it?
Broke out and kind of broke back in.
Okay, not on my 2-minute chart. It hasn't.
I have it on the 1 minute. Sorry, Christine, you were saying now with the trade copier?
Has it been like hard, like mentally to do it, or has it been easier than you thought?
I think it's just getting used to having these lines.
Yeah.
I'm going to cut this trade actually really, really quick here. I'll cut this. We'll see how we react at this lower day VWAP, but I'll look to probably get out of this much, much sooner, I think. Why is this not showing up on my...
Still working out the kinks.
Yeah, see, this is what I mean. Like, I have to... Did I not have it enabled?
Looking like it's turning around, though. Going lower a bit here. We've got a fair value gap in NQ right now at 23.67. 667, sorry.
Sorry, guys. Give me a sec here. I'm just trying to work out the kinks on this.
Dave, do you want to share your screen while Randy's doing that?
Sure.
Yeah.
How can I do that?
Yeah, present your screen. Or here, I'll...
Nice. All right.
Newsflash, Randy took the first break of opening range. We need to put that in a banner on the screen. Mayday, mayday.
It's not even...
And it's working out for him, though, right now.
This is it's my first time short. This is my first time doing a short sell on the trade copier, and I don't have it set up right.
Oh.
So it didn't work, or?
No, it didn't work.
Oh, thank the Lord. See?
So you know what? I'm gonna take a minute. I'm gonna delete.
It's looking good, though, to be honest.
Yeah,
you can break this POC.
Trader Gods knew it wasn't right.
Look at that. Oh, it's going. You can
Doesn't
get
matter if
FOMO
it
from
goes,
this, Randy.
Doesn't matter if it goes. You
It's
can't
a
control bad
cleared
habits
pre-market
by
low.
getting rewarded. Every time you get rewarded on a bad habit, you'll never break it.
It's not a bad habit. That's a break and retest, Christine. I just got in early.
I don't. That's that. Well, then it's not a breaking
That didn't
retest.
value
You got
very
it
low.
early.
Look at that thing.
Oh, I did not have it set up the sell side. Randy.
What candle did you get in, Randy?
Does it matter, Christine?
Yes.
I
Yes,
did
it
not
does.
have it set up on the sell side.
It matters.
Oh my god, why? See, but
This is so
again,
bad for Randy.
this is what I always say, Christine. This is the market humbling me for taking the first break of the opening.
Yeah,
range.
of course. When it doesn't work, it's when it works, right?
Oh, and I was just gonna hop over into my top one accounts and take the trade, and I'm like, you know what?
Don't do
As
it.
soon as Dave said, "Don't FOMO into it," like I could feel it coming on. That like it was
Yeah.
like, no,
You
I got
listen
it.
to Dave, but you won't listen to me.
No, I listened to
He
both
says
you
don't
guys.
FOMO it, but you don't FOMO it. Christine says don't get in on the first break of the opening range, and you get in on the first break of the opening range.
I feel like, trading the first break of the open range can be okay. Just you got to be super aggressive on it, right?
You have to be, and you have to see what's going on Bookmap and looking at the orders and watching price want to tip over. And I think if I'm going to take first break of the opening range where I have my stop is where maybe I'm going to do that, Christine, I think from now on.
Damn.
What?
Look at that thing.
Have a super tight stop on the first break of the opening range and either get stopped out immediately or go for the...
Yeah, but if you're going to do that, if you're trading orders, then why wouldn't you be in on the retest of the New York Vwap way up there?
Yes. Yeah. I could see that too.
Like, forget waiting for the opening range. If you're trading the orders, they're going to be on the book. Well, assuming they were on the book 5 minutes prior, you might as well do that.
So if you guys see, the mistake I made is in my alert for my buy side, I have this alert set up. So when it crosses a line, it sends this signal to Traders Post, which sends a signal to each individual account that I have linked to. On the sell side, when I set this up, I forgot to put the message in. So nothing got triggered.
Oh, too bad.
So that's good to know.
That's good to
know.
So I'm sticking a limit order at the bottom of the range here, which is kind of lining up with the New York. Is that the New York? No, that doesn't even look like the New York. Sorry. That looks like a previous day. Need to update that. So if we can get a pullback, I'll be looking to enter there.
Are you on it?
Good morning, Czar. Did not see you in the chat.
And we're going lower.
Right, Nick? Why doesn't he listen to us?
Because I just don't like to listen. let's just throw it on the table. I have a hard time listening to people. On a side note, guys, we're going to do a giveaway today since we got all these new people in the group.
Nice.
We're gonna rock out a giveaway today. And if anybody is trading top one and they're looking for accounts, they got a 50% off promotion going on right now. My code, Christine's code. I'm doing a giveaway for another 5 accounts at the end of the week. Top one is giving away 40 accounts if you make a purchase with top one this week using anybody's code. So
straight to funded, right?
Yeah, $1 million in straight to funded accounts they're giving away.
That's crazy. So Austin changed some stuff around. They got round cameras.
Yeah, I don't know. He's playing around with the layout a little bit. Austin's changing the layout of the stream a little bit sometimes to see what gets better, so they can see it differently.
Yeah, they got round cameras now.
Nick, do it. You'll get between us and the people in this chat, I have less entries than accounts to give away. So I didn't say that out loud, but if you do need an account and you can get in before the next few people, you're almost a shoo-in that you're going to get one. So
that's if you purchase an account.
Yeah.
Oh, they're just little round bubbles.
Yeah.
I don't know if I like it. Do you guys like it?
No, it's too small for me.
It's a little too small, yeah.
How's everybody doing? Did anybody take a trade yet besides me? The trade didn't go through?
I'm in a long.
You're in a long reversal play.
Yeah, but not super amount of hope for it. So I'm in drawdown and I actually might get stopped out right now.
Got a bit of a wall at 64.84 there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, just a pre-market level.
So Christine, on your where did you get long? You're out?
It's gone. Yeah. I got long. Not a great price. It was $89.50. It should have been more like $87.50. So you see that like reaction? Well, it's hard to see because you don't have the like. There's I'm like pointing on your screen. I have that level at 85 to about 84. And there was just like a reaction off of that. So if I was like quicker, I could have done better, but wasn't quick enough. And obviously it's not going to work now anyways. So it doesn't really matter in hindsight.
Yeah, everything's looking super bearish right now. Dow's down, NQ's down.
Oh, that's the thing when the New York session opens, and if these guys guys and gals want to sell off the market, they're going to sell off the market.
Yeah. They did that pump on NQ and smashed it.
So,
thanks, Daniel.
Trevor, basically straight to fund. So Top Step's not straight to funded. First and foremost, you got to do a combine, then you get into a funded account, the XFAs. The XFAs have a little less rules, but what these straight to funded accounts are basically giving you, you're paying can be in some cases a lot more money than a challenge account, but you're having to do the evaluation phase or the combine, not spending time on that, and you're going to a straight to funded account. So basically you're buying an XFA. And then obviously each prop firm has different rules around the payouts on the straight to funded accounts. So depending on the prop firm, there's different rules. But basically you're just buying an XFA. That's all you're doing. Yeah, good work on the shorts, guys. Good work staying flat.
Yeah, as our things do look bearish right now.
So now is where the patience comes in, and now we just wait for either a pullback or a reversal, as Christine would say.
I like to say back to Vwap. I don't like the name reversal.
Oh, the back to Vwap trade.
The back to Vwap trade.
Well, that's what I believe Tanner calls them, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I need to look at study more of his entries, I think.
Austin has KV on his stream right now. No, definitely, Christine, we have to bring him on the podcast. He was hilarious.
Was he?
Yeah. You never really got to talk to him, did you, in Tampa?
No, because he told me I couldn't cheers with water and said it was bad.
And then you got mad.
The whole time.
Oh, I'll make sure to bring that up on the podcast. We'll set him up. We'll ambush him. We'll bring him on. We'll be like, hey, remember that time you said, Christine, you said women weren't allowed to cheers with water?
Yeah. Oh my
Hey, God. Andrew. Hello. Welcome to the stream.
Good morning, Andrew. How are you doing, buddy?
I think I need another coffee.
Yeah, Trevor, you ever have any questions, just reach out. Hit one of us up on our socials, DM us, shoot us a message, anything, man. We're more than happy to try and answer your questions.
Got a little bit of a bounce. We rejected off the 9 EMA there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so your 9 EMA is basically previous week's point of control.
Okay.
More coffee, I know. How many cups are you on, Nick? 7?
I just finished my electrolyte drink, so
Now you can drink
I'm on
coffee?
to the coffee. Yeah.
Do you put creatine in your electrolytes, Dave?
No, I just down the hatch the creatine.
No, if I have like creatine and coffee within like 30 minutes of each other, it's not good.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's not good.
I don't have
Maybe
any
because
problems
I take
with my
so much
stomach
creatine.
with that. Yeah. Yeah, I've been taking 2 heaping scoops. Just dump it in my mouth.
Oh my gosh, that's savage.
Raw
Yeah.
dog it.
Yeah. And wash it down with electrolyte drink. You know, it has no flavor. It's just like
No.
powder.
Well,
Yeah.
just powder? Why don't you
Yeah.
just snort it then?
Yeah. It'll go straight to your head. So are we
So
going to get that?
Christine, I wanted to say to you, I'll show you here. I had it drawn up. But again, like, what level were you looking at?
I'm looking at pre-market lows at 64.80, 475.
That's why I was wondering, like, if you had your stop, like, a little bit bigger of a stop on some of these
Yes.
trades.
Yeah, I'm
If this
back.
turns around, it does. You might reject off previous days New York. I could be completely wrong, but I'm
Yes.
just looking at I had these levels, like previous week's point of control on here and previous day's value area low. So
Yeah, I'm trying it again. So if this is a loss, then I'll just have to give up on the idea. It's hard with these because sometimes you're just too early, or if you have a shorter, like because your stop is shorter, if it's breaking structure, like, I mean, it doesn't mean it breaks structure to like a full other move. So you have to, I think you have to be willing to try them a couple times, but then you also have to stop because it can like push you into trading a lot more easily, at least for me. So it's just something that I noticed. So I really need to be patient with the 2 try idea and then just like leave it. If I don't get it on 2 tries, then just leave that idea and then move on to the next thing.
yes, I'm actually going to maybe look at a short here, but I won't be able to take it in these on these copied accounts because I don't have it set up
Oh, I
properly.
don't set up.
And I'm not going to try and set it up and make a mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah, no doubt.
It's not worth it. So I'll flip over to that when I get to it.
I got an order ready, 64.90, 75 for a short. There's a bearish fair value gap there. Looking like we did dip into it to on that last candle there, that 2 candles ago on the 1 minute.
Nice.
But I missed that entry, so my price is a little bit higher than that. So
I want to watch Dave snort creatine.
I wonder how painful that would be.
I'm short.
Oh, of course.
Nice.
Well,
Oh,
it's looking
right.
good
Good
now.
timing. Good timing. Yeah, I missed it by 1
I
point.
want to see us come through these 80s here, and then I'll trail my stop down as soon as we get through those orders at 80. I don't have a low a day VWAP on, but I'm assuming it's breaking it right now.
It is, yeah.
But NQ sitting on its previous day's New York and its previous day's point of control. So this will be a very contentious area. Like, I still think, Dave, that your limit order is at 90. Probably would be a little bit better of a buy or a sell. But let's see what happens. Yeah, see. My Bookmap is starting to lag a little bit if you guys didn't notice. And it's something about aggregate orders coming in and trying to keep up with it. So
I pulled that order.
Yeah, you didn't like that way that 1 minute candle flipped?
Yeah, definitely. I'm just a little worried because, you know, with how NQ went out of the gate today, and since we're kind of been overall bullish near all-time highs.
Well, if you pull up NQ, look at NQ, back inside the opening range, back above its previous days, back above its overnight VWAP. Like, I'm going to get taken out right here. I'm actually going to.
We're in that fair
At
value
the
gap.
New York Vwap.
But NQ is just ripping back up.
Okay, I moved my stop to break even, just FYI.
Oh my
Nice.
God, Christine, we're fading each other, aren't we?
Mm-hmm. There are.
I don't know what you're going to buy from Starbucks for $5, Dave. Or from Nick. Nick said he's at $5 on his trade. He's like, I can buy a Starbucks.
Nice.
Yeah, it's pretty even hard to get one drink with $5.
You could probably get an iced water. Yeah, I know. Good moves are. I like that. It definitely is a mixed bag. I'm in this trade now, so I'll let this play out. I think if this candle reverses on me, I'll probably look to maybe get out there.
Makes sense.
On my 2 minute chart, I have the New York VWAP and bottom of opening range at 94. Where's the bottom of the opening range on your 1 minute?
It is 96.
Okay.
And YM's just chugging along under all of its VWAP, sitting at its opening range low. So I wonder if that's just kind of what's holding ES back while NQ just rips. Or not even rips, I shouldn't say that. Sorry, while NQ just starts to push up. Yeah, I'm going to get taken out here, guys. No bueno.
Yeah, it's too bad that first trade didn't work out. You probably would have taken profits at value area low there.
Oh, 100% I would have.
But it would have reinforced his bad habits. So was it good that it didn't work out?
It would have been great that it worked out, Christine, because it would have been on 31 accounts.
I would love for you to go back and look at all your first break of opening range trades in the last 2 months and tell me how those work out for you in general. And if I'm wrong,
I don't know, but I can tell you the ones that have worked out, and they've been absolute bangers.
But is that going to matter if you have a couple bangers and like 1,000 losses? No. If you can prove to me that statistically you have an edge trading the first break of opening range, then I will never bug you about it again, ever.
Look at iTrades. This is my life story, man. I just get lit up all day by Christine.
You're getting mommed hard.
Yeah.
All day long.
Prove me wrong. I'd love for you to prove me wrong, and I won't ever.
We should actually, Christine, we should bring your kids on and just ask them how they manage you on a daily basis when I only have you for a few hours and they get you all day. Maybe they could give me some tips.
My son last night, he said, "Mom, you're the best mom." And then he's like, "I wish you were better." And I'm like, "What do you mean?" He's like, "I just wish you were a better you." And I'm like, "Oh, okay. Love you
What a
too, honey."
gentleman. Good
Have a
morning,
good
Anna.
night.
We've missed you.
You're gonna have to make a apron for Christine. I got mommed.
Yeah, exactly. Hi,
Oh,
Anna.
man.
How are you? Nick. It depends on how big the bangers are. They're not big enough, trust me.
Yeah. See, this is what happens. You miss your move on the short and you FOMO into the second one. And this is why I'm glad I'm trading all these different accounts. Well, if the trade copy was working, I would have won my first trade.
Yeah.
But your second trade was only on a single account?
3 accounts, 3 50K Pro accounts. But I'm just risking 3 micros, so.
You know, making money the wrong way never lasts, Randy.
I don't know.
Ack said that.
Yes, I could say that.
I'm going to go tell Austin you took the first break of opening range.
And it would have won,
He
but
didn't.
I didn't have the.
It
And
doesn't
Austin's gonna make more fun of me for not having the trade copier set up, and he's gonna make fun of me for. Yeah, see
You're
who's
getting support in the chat. NCF WM. Quit bullying Randy.
I'm trying to figure out if we know who that is. but
Ask Thomas. Thomas agrees with me.
Let's bring Thomas on right now, and we'll hash this out.
Yeah.
Is that Nick? That's probably Nick.
That's what I'm trying to. That's what I'm looking at to see who it could be.
He changed his name so he wouldn't get any backlash. Standing up to Christine.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna drop a Google Doc. Put your name on the list for the giveaway.
Can I put my name?
No, you can't put your name, and Dave can't. You can't put your name either.
Damn.
We went over this last week. It's cheating.
Well,
Look
we
at
should be able
everybody.
to put our name and then we get to
even
pick
Nina
who
said
gets it.
at Randy Baines got a point. She's saying, I know what I'm talking about.
Well, we took the New York on NQ and we're flirting with it on ES now.
Yeah, I'm trying to hold out on this trade right now, but I'm like,
Just sell your shares and price will come down, and then I'll be in. I'll be good. Good morning, Ack.
There's Ack.
You're
just talking about you.
Beautiful first break of the opening range low. And Christine just knocked it. Oh.
I almost entered short on that candle.
I don't love it.
I can see it. I can see it for sure. Obviously, if you're just trading the Vwap, then yes, this is like a good spot.
Well, NQ now stalled a little bit, so.
Yeah, NQ stalled. ES is pulling back a bit below the point of control.
We're going to do a duck race here, guys, in probably, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. Let everybody get their names on the list.
So you have a level on Bookmap at 6,500, and that is the call resistance on my chart.
So that there's been a level on Bookmap at 6,500 for quite some time, on and off, on and off. And I just think that's a round number too.
Yeah.
So you'll see it like when we're close to like such a round number, there'll be orders sitting there almost always.
Yeah.
And I think it's just like a psychological thing too, right? See, Dave, aren't you happy you didn't enter yet?
Yep. I didn't really like the way that candle I'm looking for kind of a closure under the 21 EMA here.
NQ's got 45 orders sitting at 23,700. That's the reason I don't like. Because NQ really likes to hunt its levels on Bookmap. And I could see it wanting to. If it takes these orders at 23,675. Oh, I should have. Yeah, so this is on. These are the algos on my other monitor. I have the NQ.
I did enter short there.
On N1 where?
Targeting value area low. I entered at 64.90. That I think is the same price that I was looking at before.
Yeah.
I got to stop at the value area high just above the New York. Only risking 118 for 187 potential profit. So
that's why I love it when we do the giveaways, because we can start to figure out who's in the chat. So I figured out who iTrades is.
Oh,
it's
nice.
It's my boy Sammy. It's somebody I talked to on Instagram. So
nice.
Another trader. He's yeah. Big W. So glad to have you here, Sammy.
Uh-oh.
I think this is our most viewed stream yet. Yeah. We're going to get taken out here, Dave.
Yeah, I think so.
We'll see. It's not over until it's over.
Well, at least Dave, where's your stop then?
I actually have it pretty tight. I'm at 64.95. I got a 5-point stop.
Yeah, something's going to happen here soon.
Yeah, this price is being pretty volatile. So,
well, if you can see here on, let me pull up NQ again. See, it's this wall of orders up here at 23,675.
Yeah.
And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where we're sitting, right? But it keeps taking a stab at it. So if those orders get filled, I'm out. I'm going to get taken out of this trade regardless.
Yeah, this price action is bouncing around a heck of a lot right now. I'm adding.
Trying to give this some room.
What is going on here? What is that? Oh, it says a limit.
So I want to work on adding into my winning trades, but I can't consider this a winning trade. Just the volatility and the levels that I'm seeing. Nice work, Czar.
Yeah, don't come back and stop me now.
Vwap's, you're back, buddy. We haven't seen you in a while. How you doing? Tim, Scott, Nick, Jose, Trevor, Nina, Keith, Daniel, Chuck, Ack, Jordan, Sammy, Rias, and our boy Czar. Going to be our biggest giveaway, our most entries for a giveaway yet, guys. So stoked for that. Christine's first day back, and she brings everybody to the stream.
I don't think it's me.
Well, there were a few people on Tuesday, right, Dave? There were a few sad people on Tuesday. Oh. Where's Christine? Where's Christine? Where's Christine? I'm not even kidding.
They just like to hear me yell at you.
Oh, Dave, I am not loving this. And I'm not saying that like in a negative way. I'm just not like sitting in this.
Yeah, it's looking pretty risky.
Nick, you wept a little. Good. I hope you shed many tears, Nick.
Yeah, it's just flip flopping, and there's too many levels here.
It's so volatile. Like the price action is just pretty wild.
Structurally, though, it does look nice for a short entry off the daily VWAP or the overnight.
Like even YM's just stalling here at its opening.
Oh yeah, Ack, where's the music? I mean, Randy, where's the music?
We did a group consensus. We said no more music.
Really?
No, I'm just kidding.
Did it lull us to sleep too much?
I want to find some other music though. Did you find a YouTube friendly playlist, Dave?
I actually just used that artist.io. It's got like a copyright kind of like thing that it says in the middle of the. I'm gonna get stopped here, I think.
All right. Can we just move?
Don't do it. No.
You brought your stop down because you added in, obviously.
I'm a little bit lower, yeah. I moved it from 95 to 95.50 to 94.25.
So when you add in, you adjust your stop to have the same risk level as.
Sometimes my full position size is more like 10 to 15 contracts. So like I was still willing to like keep the stop in relatively the same area on this trade because I feel like the structure requires it.
Right.
But ideally, yeah, you add in. Looking like I'm gonna get stopped here though in a second. Need the sellers to reject this New York.
And I need them to take New York. The buyers. But it is very much rejecting over and over again.
Yeah, this
level, these orders at 675. And then on ES, the order's at 64.94. So. And YM sitting on its all-time high VWAP.
Yeah, if we get back into profit here, I might just drag my stop in there and just Sarah on this trade. Just not feeling very confident in this trade anymore. If we get a dip down.
What did Nick do, Keith? I don't remember this.
I was trying to read. I didn't. I'll let Christine read that.
A crotch shot.
Oh yeah, because when he stood up to tell the kids to be quiet, he like he had to put his leg over the computer screen, right?
Oh, I didn't notice that at all.
Yeah, I saw it too.
I noticed that during the podcast. I just forgot to say something.
I didn't.
I saw a smile on your face. Actually,
I think me and Thomas might have both smiled. Maybe it's just like a.
See, boys are more aware of crotches than girls. I was like, didn't notice it like literally until this moment. Didn't even think about it. Thanks, Ack.
Make a clip of that.
I thought that was pretty funny. He's like sit up and like all I see is like legs wide in front of this.
I can't think of your one-liner, Christine, you said on Austin's that you've never said ever before. That was one of my favorite ones.
Oh.
Like where you just talk about like just staying in trading and like making money. Oh, I got to go watch it again. That was a good one. I just never heard you say that one before.
It's a very nerve-wracking podcast.
You sound nervous.
I was nervous.
He sounded very nervous. I was
nervous. It's way nerve-wracking just because like I know there's no more people that
you host a bloody podcast. What are you talking about?
It's not the same. Not the same. Okay, we are sandwiched between high of day, low of day, with previous day, New York VWAP in the middle, and today's New York VWAP on top. It is going to go somewhere. We just don't know what direction. Right? And whatever direction it goes, someone's going to lose and someone's going to win.
Yeah,
Dave, you didn't get stopped out, right? You just got edged on your stop.
Yeah, just edged. It was like 93.
Come on, tip
by
over.
like less than a point.
Just tip over for us.
I feel like I'm just living on hopes and dreams. I feel like it's going to tip over to the downside, but I could be wrong.
Nick, load up the trade copier. Put on 1,000 minis. Let's go. I knew you were going to say that, Nick. Well, it was smiling, so.
Thanks, Anna. I appreciate you.
Anna, did you take any trades today?
Yeah, give us an update. How's it going?
Yeah, once we get a move here, it's gonna rip, like Austin just said. It's gonna rip soon, one way or the other here.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we
But
never
they
took
do
those
have a lot of
orders at
margin
80,
out there.
Dave. So look at those orders
Yeah.
that came on right now at 64.94. It's trying to pull price higher.
Yeah, and there's support. There's big support right at 87.
But it keeps rejecting off 94 area. Like it hasn't been able to break through that much.
I got a 5 limit order a little bit below where we are right now, and if we tag that, I'm gonna go break even. Like looking like I'm gonna get it right. Almost got it. Yeah, I'm out there on that one. So now I'm break
Nice
even
work.
on my remainder 5, and stopped out up $100.
Good for
Yeah.
you. Anna's long MNQ. Fuck my life.
At 604.
Yeah, but she probably got it at the very bottom.
What 604? 604 is previous days New York on NQ.
I just noticed it, and it has a photo on her profile. I don't think I noticed that before.
Ew.
Anna, are you coming to LA? I don't know why I thought you were coming to LA.
That'd be amazing. Are you guys in that like WhatsApp chat?
Yes, but I haven't. Like, it's pretty cool to see where everybody's coming from.
Yeah, but you better not say anything else.
Oh, David will delete you. Like he'll.
Yeah.
remove your message.
Don't talk about
Sorry.
anything else except the question asked.
I've seen him remove so many people from that chat. Like they'll just start asking random questions.
I actually do not like. I am going for you guys, but like his
You don't like
conferences are
David.
not my favorite. Like they're not my favorite.
Well, he is a bit of a robot.
Tom Hogard though, like I'm stoked about him, but I'm like it's only a day and they have a number of people there. Like, can I listen to Tom Hogard the entire day? Like, is he only going to get an hour?
I think like it's only one day, so it's gonna be.
I know.
Only gonna get a certain amount of time.
Fine.
And make sure Friday you don't make any plans. We're all gonna go do something
Oh.
after, so
That's amazing.
it'll be a fun time.
Things are very messy. That is true, Zara.
Hillary
Well, I
sent
feel
me.
relieved out of that trade.
Yeah, I'm still in it.
Me too.
Although you're probably, I mean, I hate to say it, Christine, but it does look like it wants to go lower still.
I know. I think if this trade goes lower, I'll look back and say taking profit at the New York Vwap is very important. Even if it's not my like full profit or anything, like there should be something coming off there.
Yeah.
And then instead of just moving stop to break even, I could have taken half my size off there and moved stop to break even, and then I would have been out.
That's what I've been doing a lot lately, is doing
Yeah.
those partials and stopping the remainder out.
So if we take these orders at 85, I actually might add into this.
Oh, nice. If you take those orders at 80, you're definitely looking lower, eh? I really should have been had my entry closer to New York. So that was
Right.
kind of my fault there. Is like, and that's part of the reason I wanted to get out so fast.
Yeah, because sometimes we judge our trades on where we entered, but we really should judge them on where we should have entered. So if you get a late entry and you want a 1-hour trade, your target might not actually be appropriate for the trade itself because your entry might be off.
Yeah.
I look at that sometimes. I'm like, okay, well, I got in 2 points later than I should have. But actually, this trade is going to go 10 points. But for me, it would only go 8 points. But why am I going to hold for 10 points when really I should be taking at 8 points because my entry was late?
Makes sense, yeah. These candles are so volatile.
They're gross. I don't like them. But I know that I can't judge.
No.
This trade, I think I have to let play out. I can't judge it on some of this movement because the second it looks like it's about to tip over, it's like bouncing back up again.
Yeah.
Guys, can I double check and make sure that your guys' name is on this list? We're going to get this giveaway going pretty quick. And remember, hit the like button. Right, Dave? That's what we're supposed to say? Smash the like button?
Smash the like button.
Smash the like button. And hit subscribe if you aren't already subscribed.
Yes, if you're not. We'll figure this out.
How many subscribers do you have?
391.
Nice.
The podcast is about to take me in subscribers any day now. It's like 380. It's like 3 subscribers behind me. It's crazy.
Go subscribe to the podcast, people.
The podcast has had over 21,000 views, 36 videos. It's wild.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Like it truly is like, I'm so grateful to have like that, like we have that platform for other people to join us on because we have Jordan Pagel coming on. We're going to be recording with him today.
Yeah, I'm excited about that.
So that's going to be exciting.
So
394.
Oh, and you were at 399 on Behind the Charts.
Yeah, see, it's and Behind the Charts overtook me. Took me out.
Who's going to be our 400th subscriber? Someone go.
That'd be awesome. Once you get to 500, you're going to have to start making some swag to sell.
Can we do that?
Yeah, 500, you can start selling at 500 subscribers.
Sweet.
You can start getting super chats and you can sell products.
Cool.
At how many subscribers?
At 500. At 1,000, you get monetized.
We'll keep you posted, Tim, on the giveaway, buddy.
Yeah,
Your name's on the list. I saw it there. Enjoy your day.
Well, there you go, Christine.
Yeah.
Look at that. Just broke the downward trend line there.
And did you see all those orders just came off at 94?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, totally.
Is this a boner candle?
Looking like it.
With the orders coming off at 94 like that, I can see this just plowing right through it now. There's nothing to stop it from going higher. See? Boom.
What should my target?
Austin just said that too. Hey, oh, look at that. The orders came off at 94.
Are they in a trade?
Austin short too.
He is short, yeah.
Oh.
So on Tuesday, I took a trade after stream. Was it Tuesday?
I would just trail your stop now, Christine. Like,
Hey.
how many more points were you looking for your take profit?
We're at 400. And it was our 400th subscriber.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Who cares about my trade? We got 400 subscribers. Wait, how do we get the balloons? Can we do
Let's
it?
go in a.
Yeah, I got hotkeys on OBS for like applause and
That's amazing.
horn and stuff. You gotta get some of those going.
I have it here somewhere.
Visual effects. Nope.
I thought I
Yeah.
had sounds here somewhere. I'll have to add to it and figure this out. I don't want to look at my trade anymore.
2-3 seat
Oh my
sofas,
God.
easy
I just need to,
$180
like-
made outside of trading. Nice.
So you never answered my question, Christine. Where's your take profit?
Nice.
6,500?
64.99.75.
And what was your entry?
64.88.50. It's technically 11 points. I'd be fine with 10. But it's just being a bitch. And I might look back and be like, well, I should have taken 5. I'm very like between, because I do think I need to let them get to profit looking back on some of these trades, but then also like how much profit do you give up not taking profit is the question.
That's so interesting though. It's still rejected off 94, hey?
Yeah.
So even though they pulled those orders, they were still there. You know?
So it was, yeah, like it was. I wonder if anybody in the chat has the iceberg and can see icebergs. Because I wonder if that was an iceberg.
Either that or they just started flooding the
As we got
right?
to that level.
They just like flooded the ask with just constantly adding orders. Yeah, so I took a max daily loss on Tuesday after the stream, hey?
That's
and
hard.
I literally got taken out on my, like the Project X sold it and locked me out to the tick.
Oh.
And then it went to my profit target.
No.
10 minutes after.
That is frustrating.
Yeah. So it's like, I know that it's there to protect us, right?
Mm-hmm.
But this is the second time now that it's like literally taking me out within like a tick or two, and then went to my profit target.
You should be scaling in smaller on those trades then.
Yes, I know. I did definitely oversized on that. That was my 3rd trade on that account too. So
I saw this guy did this really interesting post on his strategy on how to pass combines and evaluations, and basically he risked 25% of his drawdown.
Mm-hmm.
If he takes 2 losses, he drops that to 12.5% of his drawdown that he risks. So basically, he's risking $500 on a 50K on the first, and then if he takes 2 losses, he drops that down to $250.
Okay.
And it's something interesting where I'm thinking I'm going to do something maybe like 200 and 400. So have size in $400, but if I take 2 losses in that account, I got to size down until I can get back to a place where I can start trading with that bigger size.
Yeah.
Like this take profit account that I've had, I haven't taken a loss in it, and I'm up $800, and I've been trading it for like 2 weeks, and it's a funded account. So it's like if I just slowly grind this higher and I do it over multiple accounts.
Yeah. I feel like you're doing well at grinding it higher. Like I was
and
looking
I just got to
at
stay disciplined and take 1 trade a day, 1 trade a day in those accounts. That's it, win or loss. So right now in those copy traded accounts, even if I take a trade for a full loss, I'm still green on the week.
Yeah.
So my win rate is quite high in those. It's like 92%.
Right.
If I can keep it above 80, I can afford to be a negative R trader then. Yeah. But you have to be like, I was even looking at someone else's stats. You got to be like plus 75% win rate to be a negative R trader.
Right. That's hard. That's why I'm finding better to be a lower win rate and a higher R to R. I prefer that mentally, and just like in trading. I know it is a wonderful trading game, isn't it? Positive R trader, but a very bad win rate. Okay. But do you like prefer that act? Like, does that make you more comfortable? Like, the reason I ended up figuring that out because I dual traded 2 different types of strategies in different accounts. One account, I was a negative R trader, and the other, I was a positive R trader. But my win rates were basically the same, which was around 50%. So, like, obviously, the one I was making money, the one I wasn't making money. So that's how I figured out what strategy I liked better. Drawdown, no problem. Yeah. Yeah, it's easier to sit down and draw down when you can make higher returns on a trade. Absolutely. Oh, Dave's plugging himself in the chat. Go watch Dave. Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
And Sunday.
And Sunday.
Sunday, 6 p.m.
Holy, good for you.
Yeah, it's actually been. I had 9 viewers on last Sunday, so
That's
it's
amazing.
actually my best day.
You know, like, you don't think 9 viewers is a lot, but it is, especially when they're like involved in the chat. You know, like the fact that we're talking to 13 people, some people might not seem like that's a lot, but that's like a ton of people to me. Like, we're all chatting and like there's enough to talk about.
Yeah.
And it's great.
I'm out.
So
Okay.
Am I?
is
Don't tell me the 95s are gonna hold.
is RPS usually in the chat here? I don't
Yeah,
recognize.
Rias was like, he was in the beginning.
Okay.
He was, and then he's been off for a few weeks. I think
Gotcha.
Oh my God! Let's just stop teasing me already and just take me out of this trade, Christine. Take my money, Christine. Take it.
I would just like to give me my
Take it
money.
and give it to Christine.
Yeah. I feel like I got to hold now to the profit because we're like moving back into the range. If we can like close a bar into this range, I'm happy.
Well, there's a 200 EMA right there where it rejected off.
Okay.
Right at the electronic value area high. Also, that's what rejected there. Anyways,
Yeah, take me out already.
Never heard somebody want to give up their money so bad.
I know.
I don't want to give it up, but it just stop teasing me. Just take me out so I can go get a coffee or something.
I know. I want a coffee so bad, but I'm going to start trailing soon, so I need to like stay here.
Yeah, the TP gets edged. We hate it, but our stop gets edged, and we don't like it. Is it supposed to be the other way around? No.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Jeez. This level's going to turn into either crazy support, or it's just going to just keep resisting here. Like, this is when you're going to see a boner candle.
Yeah, come on. On the 5 minute, we are breaking through the overnight. If it holds.
So my dad's been watching my stream. Hey,
nice.
Hi, Dad. What's your dad's name?
Roy.
Roy. Hi, Roy.
Yeah, he puts it on his TV and he's chilling out in the garage
That's
watching
amazing.
it.
I better not swear now. Now that I know your dad's watching.
Oh, it's okay.
There you go. I'm out.
You're out.
Okay.
I'm out. I've never been happier to be out of a trade.
I'm in a long RPS.
I'm glad I grabbed that $100 then, because I would have been out actually a couple candles ago.
Okay, so here's my one trade for the day. I'm done. I have a call.
Yes,
to take it.
RPS. Christine is long right now.
Do you prefer RPS or RES?
Oh, sorry.
No, I just know because the Google Doc, right? So, okay,
REAS.
Christine, what are we doing with your trade? Let's see your screen. Come on.
I can't do it right now. I'm like so focused on trailing this stop. I'm trying to give it room to move, but I also don't want to give back anything. So I'm trying to trail it to that like 94 level, because if that turns into support now, but I also need it to like move.
REAS. Okay.
Above there.
You got a candle close in 5 minutes or 5 seconds. There you go. Now move it up to the bottom of that candle. Move it up to 95.25. Just do it, Christine.
No. That's not enough room. I don't think.
Whole gang's on tomorrow on ASFX.
Who's on tomorrow?
Is all the guys,
Oh,
Tanner and
Randy,
Randy,
Lawrence.
Yeah. I haven't looked at the updated videos on ASFX yet. He updated number 6, 7, 11, 12, and 13 on the Futures 101, the first course. Austin updated it, so.
Okay, let's see what's going on with Christine's trade here.
It's looking good. We have a bullish fair value gap on ES or NQ right at the previous day high. So like, and on ES actually.
Yeah, I just feel like it's just gotten back into the range. So I do want to give it some room to like move.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it did enter the range.
Well, let's do this duck race then, guys.
Yeah, do the duck race. I'll update everybody.
Oh, shit.
What?
I got to redo it.
That's how many names we got? Oh,
Yeah, there's a lot.
15?
Yeah, I think 15. Was there anybody missing on the list? In, are you still in the chat? I didn't see your name on the list.
That's amazing, Ak. I will let Thomas know. I still need to figure out how to I've had trouble with them getting my taking my credit card, but I will try again because now that it's reopened in the US, maybe it'll be easier for me.
Let's go duck race. You guys ready? Where do I hit start?
Good luck.
Where am I voting? Pink.
Where am I? Oh, right here.
Are we on the pink?
Hey, Nick's gonna win his 100th account.
Yeah, boy, Sam. Nick J. No, he does not need another account.
Don't worry. Oh, it's a 20-minute countdown, Andy.
Oh, shit, it is 20 minutes.
Oh, my Lord.
I don't even have 20 minutes. I got a call to take at. I got to redo this, guys. I'm sorry.
Oh, my God, Nick, you got your life got ruined there.
Remember the one time we were in here? How long was it? 10 minutes or it was a 10-minute race?
It was not 20.
Clear.
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like 20 seconds is too short, but it's
Jeez. Dave.
30 seconds?
30, 45.
We did 30. 30 is a long time. It's longer than you think.
Oh.
Okay. We ready?
Let's go.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Going, Christine.
I know.
Jeez.
See it.
We're going. Yeah, that fair value gap. If we get a closure above 98 on the 5 minute, you're looking really good for high day, I bet.
Above 98?
Yeah, because we got a fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap, and when that closes above the previous fair value gap, it turns into like a bullish thing.
Okay.
So if you get a closure on this 5 minute candle at 98 or higher, that's an inverted fair value gap. So it's Zach Arbucci would be saying it's looking really good for you.
Okay, great. Okay, let's duck race this.
Well, I want to watch your trade now. I kind of want to see what happens at 6,500.
Yeah, that is a pretty key level there.
At 6,500 at the call resistance?
Yes.
Yeah. Maybe that's where you should take a little partial just in case.
Yeah, you're right. I could take a partial. Should I do that? Should I take half off?
No, don't do anything. Just hang tight.
That's a nice little bounce right there. It's looking like it's going to go higher for sure.
Yeah.
NQ is getting close to its high.
Should have added in, guys.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Yeah, like you still got room to the top of NQ to the top of the opening range. Where is your stop, Christine, right now?
Well, I'm dragging it all around.
No, I know, but where is it right now?
Right now, 92.75.
So we got 30 seconds on that 5 minute candle. It did pull back a little bit, but
Okay.
Okay, let's watch this for a few minutes and get back to the duck race.
Oh my gosh, these poor people. We started the duck race. We stopped the duck race. We started it.
Well, I have a call to take in literally 11 minutes, so I got to get off.
yeah, so that one didn't invert it, but that doesn't mean it's over.
Okay.
If this candle closes above, you have
Christine
the same
starts
situation.
trading ICT now.
So hard. There's so many things you could look at. So many things.
Well, if you look at your like value areas plus fair value gaps, and then obviously New York, the VWAPs just to like form your bias. Like,
Yeah.
I think those are really like the confluences between those work out really well.
Are strong.
Christina, I might move your stop to 96.75, the bottom of that 2-minute candle, and just be okay with either taking that out of the trade or you getting, a big move on the other side.
Yeah.
Now it's almost too late because now it's going to be. I don't know. That's just the way I'm looking at the trade because you wanted 99, so you're 3 points away.
No, I wanted. Oh yeah, that's if I don't go to the top of the range. What if it goes to
the top of the range is 58.508. There's orders up there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just let it ride.
Let it ride.
I'm actually thinking about taking a long here on my practice account.
Thanks.
Okay, let's get this done. This going, fellas, ladies, gals, gents. Let's do this. Ready?
Good luck.
Let's go. Oh.
No win. It's gonna be Zach. It's gonna be Jordan. It's gonna be Scott.
No, you never. Oh, it's gonna be reindeer. It's gonna be Chuck. It's gonna be reindeer.
I was betting on the
It's
reindeer.
always somebody from behind.
Yeah. Or is it the grandma?
Oh,
who's on the top there?
No.
Oh,
it's gonna be Rias.
Rias is gonna win it. Rias
Comes back
Yeah.
for so long.
Yeah,
and he's
Rias
gonna
got
win
it.
the race.
Look at that.
Woo! Congratulations.
Good day to come back, Rias.
Oh, love it.
That's amazing. Message Randy. The account.
Rias, hit me up, brother. Hit me up on either shoot me a comment in YouTube, or do you follow me on my socials? It's the Randy Baines everywhere. Hit me up in Instagram or something and send me your email. I'll get that. I'll get it sent over to you. This is probably where I'm the most active, I would think, is on my Instagram. How do I turn something into a hyperlink, Christine?
I don't know. You might have to ask Dave.
Dave, do you know how to turn something into a hyperlink?
What are you trying to turn into it?
Like if I take my Instagram thing from my search bar and I copy and paste it, how do I turn that into a hyperlink?
Isn't it just
like,
already?
can you click on that in the chat?
No.
No.
You can't, right?
No.
But they can just copy it and paste it.
Yeah, it's true.
But,
Yeah.
Sammy, come join us, man. We're here all the time. One of us is around all the time, so come hang out every morning.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. This was a fun stream.
yeah.
Cheers, Rias. Glad to have you back, buddy.
We got all the momming over with at the start. And everything
Done in the beginning.
Awesome, Keith. Thanks. Yeah, hit me up, Rias, please. We'll get you sorted. Okay, I'm going to leave. I'll leave you two here for a few minutes if you guys want to run this for a couple minutes.
I gotta run and get coffee. I'm still in my trade. I'm just kind of chilling to see what happens. So,
Dave, you want to hang out for a little bit and see what happens with this trade, or?
Sure. Yeah.
I have a call to take, so unfortunately I got to get out of here, guys. I'd love to hang out.
Yeah. No doubt.
Christine's gonna get her El Boner candle.
It's looking like it wants to go.
Well, I just like that. I like that we have previous day's value area high here, and this is like almost like a break and a retest.
Yeah. And look at that break of the New York plus 2 retests basically, and now we're looking like we're gonna break those.
And then Sammy said it back here. We always got to remember, guys, the trend is your friend.
The trend is your friend. Love it.
So, love you guys. Thanks for being here. Always, you know what? I love it. It makes my day, that much better. And hopefully everybody can take something away from it. And we all learn from each other. So, cheers. I'll see you guys all. Some on ASFX tomorrow. If not, I'll see you guys next week. And I appreciate it. Christine, Dave, I'll talk to you guys later.
All right.
Sounds good. See you.
Bye.
Bye.
And I'm in.
You're in long?
No. My screen isn't.
Oh, you're in.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, are we going to call it? Because I'm ready to go for a coffee. Or do we want to watch this try to hit 17.5 points?
Yeah, you might as well wait. I mean, we got maybe just wait like another 5 minutes to see if it works out.
Yeah. It'd be nice if it kept going,
Yeah, it's looking like it's going to go through. Oh, we did get that closure. Did we close it? Yeah, we did invert that bearish fair value gap. So on that last candle.
Good. So ICT's on my side?
Oh, actually, sorry.
No.
It didn't invert it yet, but.
Oh my gosh. So it's not on
but
my
it's
side.
it is closing it off. There you go. You're getting that 99.25 there. 99.
It would be like technically, if this worked out in full, it would be a trade from the rejection of the pre-market low to the pre-market high.
Yeah.
Is what I would be shooting for. The pre-market high kind of starts around, for me, at 65.0650. But I don't know if we have stuff in the way. Also, it might not shoot right there, right? Like that's a pretty big to do a whole range trade. It could take a little while.
Yeah, you might end up having to wait for a while on that. But yeah, this key 6,500 is definitely pretty key area to get through. Oh, there you go.
Yeah. If we don't really push through there, then.
Because that NQ is getting close to its high a day.
Okay.
So we have
That's good to
we're
know.
at 725 and 744 is where the high day was. So 20 points. If we could get the Dow to like break Dow, the Dow's been in kind of like this downward channel. If that could break, it'll definitely take your ES higher.
That'd be nice. That'd be nice. I also, on the personal side, I ended up taking an Amazon long.
Nice.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes.
Worked for me, Randy, he said.
Oh, his link.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Okay, come on, Praise. Keep going.
That area is definitely key.
Bizarre. Yeah, summertime goes slow. I'm actually thinking about taking next summer off.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Not a bad idea.
Yeah, because my kids will be out of school, and we'll only have about a 2-month summer. So, I mean, I don't need to trade for 2 months. Like, maybe I can hop on here and there, but I definitely, save the childcare costs. Cost me like about $3,000 to get them watched for a month. So I'd rather just keep that. And just enjoy the time and take them on lots of trips, stuff like that. Just took a partial off. Nice, Jose. So you weren't flat today.
Sweet. Right, a bit of a pullback here.
Yeah.
Might be the
is expected, right? Yeah. especially if you're looking at the 5-minute.
Yeah.
Like I could see it pulling back to the overnight 92.75. But we're definitely starting to swing up on the VWAP for sure.
What's Mag 7 doing right now? They are.
Great question.
It's
mixed bag.
Yeah.
They're above, below.
Still pretty bullish. Looks like it's holding.
Yeah, I mean,
Decent.
they've definitely recovered a little bit for sure.
Of New York. I'm gonna have to learn this whole StreamYard
Yeah,
thing because I'm so used to OBS. I can switch
right.
between my screens and stuff. So if I want to show my trading view chart, I can just like switch it over. So
How many screens do you have?
4.
Oh, nice. I only have 3.
Yeah.
Remember
3.
the days when all you needed was 1 screen?
Oh yeah.
Do you know that if you sign up for TradeZella monthly, can you just cancel it if you don't like it? I don't want to commit to the whole year before seeing if it helps better than my current journal. What's your current journal, Trevor? I believe you probably can. I would be surprised. Like usually when you sign up for a monthly subscription, the benefit of that, even though you pay more, is that you can cancel. But yeah, what's your current journal? I use TradeZella. I've also used, I think it's called Trader View or Trading View, but not the platform, the journal.
Yeah, I had that one before also.
Notion. Okay. I don't
Notion.
know.
Never heard of that one. I can imagine there's a lot out there.
Yeah. Well, no wonder you don't like Futures Act because you need like 700 screens. Swing trading, you need 1 screen. 1 little screen. No stress. You just check it every once in a while and you're good to go.
So your husband has no interest in stocks and stuff?
Sometimes he thinks he does, but then he knows like he would bet all our money on it.
Yeah.
So he's just like, I better not.
Nice.
Oh, Aki used Notion too. Cool. So is that like a comparable to TradeZella? But yeah, it's not like he's totally not interested, but he is an online coach, so he's very busy doing his own thing.
Oh wow, yeah.
And he likes sales. I don't like sales. You know, you don't have to really sell anything in trading, so he likes that part. Have we inverted anything yet?
Let's see. It's that bearish fair value gap is still active, but we got 1 minute left on this candle. That bearish fair value gap is actually from 645 candle. 5 minute on the 645.
Okay. It's not a specific trade journal software, just a journaling software, and then you can create your own. Got it.
Yeah, I noticed that. It didn't really say anything about...
Okay. Yeah, TradeZella will give you your like reports, your stats on your trades, which is really nice. So it can tell you, you know, the time that you're in trades, when your best trades are, what time they're taken, what your win and loss ratios are, and all this stuff. And you can tag and you can put your trades into playbooks. Like if you have multiple entries, you can playbook each of your trades so that you can track what entries are doing better. Yeah, so it's very like, it's nice that it's tailored towards trading for sure. And if you want a more comprehensive data collection, one reason why I love TradeZella is their back testing, because you can do back testing sessions that will give you all that data but just on your back testing. So if you want to go and back test a certain entry for a month, it'll give you all that data of what, how long the trades were and everything, like you would in a real, like tracking your own trades. So if you ever do back testing or you ever find that helpful, TradeZella is killer for that.
Yeah, I do. I have some back testing sessions that I'm running right now.
Nice. Yeah, you trade, like they have a trading view chart on there. It's not like exactly like live trading, obviously, but it works really nicely to practice. Like I needed to hone some of my entries, so I went back into the back testing and I did 50 Vwap entries. And then after that, when I was in the live market, I was very good at just sticking to those entries. So you can use it for a lot of different ways to kind of train yourself to only take certain entries if you have trouble taking multiple.
Yeah. So if you can see on the screen there, guys, this is TradeZella's back testing here.
Mine's white, obviously.
Yeah, I like the dark mode. But so, and then you can like fast forward or go back to certain candles.
You can.
They don't really have like, you can't really do like limit orders, I don't think. You kind of have to just like,
that out.
buy a quantity, whatever amount. This is the one that I was talking about earlier, is taking those trades off of. Let's see if let's see what can happen here. I'll move us to the start of the next day and see if I can get this thing to work. So I just use the volume profile. Let's pause this for a sec. And you just bring it to the next trading session.
Yeah.
And then see, I got these like active volume profiles. So in theory, this, because it's outside of the range, I probably wouldn't take this trade. But technically, if my strategy is right, I should be able to go long here.
Okay.
And then you put a stop sort of somewhere. It doesn't have to be that great, but I usually only target like maybe not as much up here. So let's see if this works out.
Okay.
Because it started outside of the
right. So then if it starts outside,
area,
you're going long at open.
Yeah. And
you just click through.
Yeah. And it doesn't look like this one's working. Maybe I was a little too close on the that's why I don't take them if they're outside of the range, because it's kind of like a 50-50 chance at that point.
It's good to know.
I'll just put it on fast forward here. So yeah, this one would have been probably a losing trade. Yeah, and then just run it through.
Oh, there you go.
We're almost done here. There's the end of the day.
The end of the day. Yeah.
Comes really quick.
It didn't really move much. Yeah.
But yeah, so you can test a strategy out like that.
It's nice.
There we go. Get back on here. Well.
Yeah, I'm ready to call it. I'm just going to leave my trade and I'm going to go get a coffee and start my journal for the day, because I did have a loss already, so I will journal that.
Got to mark it up.
And, yep, got to mark it up. But thanks, guys, for watching.
Yeah,
thanks,
guys.
A little time. And we can definitely go over more back testing in TradeZella again, too, because it's a great tool for sure.
100% agree.
Yeah. Okay. Have a good day, Dave.
Thanks. See you guys.
Bye, Keith. Bye, everyone.
Later.
Oh, Jose's still in his long. Good. I'm still in the long, too, Jose. We're good.
Is it Leaf Studio or?
I don't know.
Randy left it up for us to figure out. Okay, I'm going to try to click something here.
Okay, I'm going to leave.
I lost my screen. Okay, see ya.
Bye.
Bye. Looks like I'm still live. How do I stop this here? Still live here.